Hi everyone, it's Mary Beth from MBGray Designs. Welcome back to my channel. So today I got a couple projects for you. I got this book mold. It's like a storage jar, but it's in the shape of a book. I thought that was cute. So we're going to do that one today. And then this is a jar, but it's a bird. Look how cute that, wait, am I doing this wrong? Hold on, let me put it together. It would go like that. So it would be a cute little bird. I thought that was really cute too, a bird jar. So for the book, what I'd like to do is actually take some intense chameleon powder in dark green, and I'm going to paint the pages, you know, in the dark green. So we're going to do that. And then we're going to marble these colors. So we've got frosted, these are by Bianca Pours. We've got frosted jade, galactic drift, and vanilla bean. That's what we're going to do for the book. And then for the cute little bird, we're going to marble siren blue and portal. I'm thinking about dropping a little bit of alcohol ink in with this too, but I haven't decided for sure. Maybe silver. That might be pretty, but that's what we're going to do for the bird. So the first thing I want to do is work on getting this chameleon powder. Oh, it's not open. I need to open this real quick. Oh, this is pretty. And I believe with chameleon powders, it doesn't matter what color you back it with. It should do its normal thing regardless, I think. I could be wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong. Oh, I've already getting, see, it's already getting all over. We're going to have to do some cleanup and all that. But basically, all I'm going to do is I'm going to take it. Ooh, look at how pretty that is. And I'm going to paint it in the... like where the pages are, you know. And that's all I'm gonna do. So I think probably the best thing to do is I'll go ahead and put you on a fast forward and we'll do this.
What a wasted time. Should have been here on the outside, read the signs. Used to call you mine, gave it my best, but I don't need one more try. 'Cause, baby, I'm all out of hope. Could I find it when I go? Think we're only here to stay alive now. Funny, we ran out of kicks, now you only make me sick. Think we're only here to stay alive now. 'Cause what a crime, what a time, and I should go. So I take what I can and I toss it in the car. Drive away down the highway, I can't stay. 'Cause I know that all I know, it's time to go. It's time to go. You can pass the blame, say what you want, you got nothing on me. We won't be the same. Don't you call me up, 'cause we badly need this change. Maybe I'm all out of hope. Could I find it when I go? Think we're only here to stay alive now. Funny, we ran out of kicks, now you only make me sick. Think we're only here to stay alive now. 'Cause I know what a waste, what a crime, what a time, and I should go. So I take what
Okay, I got my resin mixed up, so I did the best I could to clean what I needed to clean. Oops, I missed a spot there. I'll have to get that. I am not the best when it comes to painting in the molds, but it's because I just haven't done it very much, and I think, you know, I need to practice. So we'll see how it turns out. But anyways, I'm just going to take my mica powder, put it in my cups. Let me set this on my shelf. That was the vanilla bean. This is the galactic. Oh, this one's not open. I thought it was. Let me get this open real quick. I'm having an issue. Okay, look how pretty that is. A couple scoops in there. Oh, hopefully, I don't know if that's enough. We'll put a little bit more in. And then the frosted jade. That's really pretty also. Okay. And we've got two more. We've got the portal, which is beautiful. Deep purple color. This is for the bird. And then the siren blue. I haven't used this in a while. I really love this color. It's really pretty. Okay, and now I'm just going to take some alcohol and put it in there just to dissolve that mica powder. And that's it for getting the micas ready. My resin should be pretty well mixed up. I'm gonna run it one more time for good measure here. And then what I'll do is, so I stir these just to make sure it's all mixed up, or dissolved rather. And then I will get my resin poured into the cups and put it through the bubble remover, and then we'll be back to pour. Okay, we are ready to pour. Oh gosh, we're gonna start with the book, but man, I have cleaned this and cleaned it, and I'm still having issues, so this may not turn out that great. Oh well, we'll see. Anyway, this is our vanilla bean. This is the frosted jade, and this is, boy, they look a lot like the galactic drift. The galactic drift has more sparkle in it, but I didn't realize how close they look, so, but that's okay. All right, so let's start with the lid. Get that poured first. I'm not doing a dirty pour, but I'm just gonna, we'll just kind of drizzle in. Oops, not on the top of the mold. Do some of this frosted jade. And then the galactic drift. Get that in there too. Okay, let me get a fresh paper towel. All right, we'll keep moving here. I can see it kind of filling in the edges, so that's good. We'll definitely need to take a dotting tool or something to make sure we don't have any bubbles. Okay. I see one right there. Ooh, there it is. Come on, bubble. There's one in the corner here. And over here. We're really digging out the bubbles today. I can't tell if that's a bubble or, yeah, I think it was. Okay, that is looking better. Sometimes it's hard to tell. All right, let's finish filling this up. Okay, that is good. Okay, I don't really want to spray. I mean, I could probably spray the top, but I don't, you know, I've got the mica powder on there. So we're just gonna drizzle in our vanilla cream around the edges here. Then our frosted jade. And then our galactic drift. Okay. Keep going. Oopsie. Hopefully we don't have any bubbles. All right. Let me get my spatula and we can scrape out the vanilla bean. I hope this book turns out okay. Okay. There is that one done. All right, let me move these over and we can get our bird. Okay. We will start with, I guess, the lid for the bird. I hope I have enough. I think I do. All right. Start with our purple color. And we've got, I think this was the siren blue. And we'll just go back and forth. These two colors look really pretty together. Very pretty. Does it go in the tail? It needs to go in the tail, I think. Well, yeah, it's got to go in the tail. There it goes. Okay, I was like, when's it going to pop in the tail? Okay, so we want to make sure we have no bubbles in that tail. Around the edge. Where is my, here it is. Just make sure. Ooh, there was a bubble. Okay, hopefully that's good. Those are pretty together. What do you think? I think they look really good together. I don't know if I've done this. I mean, I've done purple and blue, but this exact colors, I don't know if I've done them before. Okay, that looks good. All right, let me move this one here. Move the actual jar right here. Something's on this jar. I tried to scrub it off. It came like that. It won't come off, so I don't know what that is. I hope it doesn't get on the piece, though. I don't know. This is going to be a pretty bird. Okay, just a smidge more to top it off. There we go. Perfect. What do I have left there? Like 1.5 ounces. I think it took about 4 ounces to fill that bird up. All right. Well, we're going to let this cure, and then we'll be back for demold. Okay, we are ready to demold. So for my extras, I don't think I did these on camera, but I have this orchid and then this cute little bowl. It's a tiny one. So let's go ahead and get our orchid out. I used all the colors, and that is gorgeous. Look at that. That is beautiful. Ooh, I like that. And then for our little bowl, this is such a cute little bowl. It's so small. It came in a pack with I don't have it handy, but with a larger one and then this small one. They came as like a little set. Aw, hold on, I'll show you. It's cute. And it's like an irregular shaped, you know, so it kind of goes up and down on the top. Isn't that sweet? What a nice little dish. So cute. Look, no bubbles. My resin was getting thick. I like that. That turned out nice. Okay, let's do the bird first, the bird jar. And see how this turned out. We used 2 colors. I'm trying to remember. It was yesterday. Siren blue, and I had a look, and portal. I had them behind me on my shelf. I haven't put them away yet. Siren blue and portal. Wow, they look pretty darn good together, I'll tell you. So this is the base of the jar, the little bird. Look at those colors together. Oh, they look good. This is going to be a nice looking bird. Very cute. And then the lid is the actual kind of like bird looking part. See how we did on bubbles. Oh, we did pretty good. Oh, there's a couple little ones so far. Not too bad. See how the tail turned out. If I can get it. There we go. Yeah, we got a little bubble there and a little one there. So we got a couple little ones, but not bad. Not bad. Let's see, this goes this way. Oh, isn't that cute? That is so cute. Just a little bird jar. How adorable is that? Oh, I like that. That's cute. I like it. Okay, and then for our book. Oh gosh, no bubbles, please. No bubbles on the lid. Please, oh please. I don't know. There were a lot of bubbles coming out if I remember correctly. I'm pretty sure. Oh, I see a big one. I'll have to fill it with UV. Oh man, I'm having a problem getting this. There we go. I got one corner out. Let's see if I can get this one. There we go. Now it's coming. So far, see that big one right there. Oh, I see another one. Not as big. A couple more. Okay. I'm telling you, I had a hard time. I was seeing them in there, and I was trying to get them out. But we've just got a few. That's okay. That's okay. Ooh, so that's our top of the box. That's pretty. Hopefully you can see it okay. I know my light is shining on it. All right, and now let's see. I am not the best at doing the paint job of the mica on the mold, so we'll see how we did here. See how that beautiful chameleon, I think it was chameleon, or intense, yeah, turned out. The green. Ooh, that's pretty on there. I didn't do too bad. There's the bottom. There's the side. Oh, the side of the book looks good. There's the inside, and then, yeah. All right, that looks pretty good. And there's our lid. Is that how it goes? Let me make sure. I might need to sand the, there it is. It's on now. Yeah. Oh, that is too cute. How cute is that? Yeah, that looks good. Okay. All right. Well, let me do a little bit of finishing work, and look, our flower would look pretty on there. Let me do a little bit of finishing work, and then we'll be back for the final reveal. Okay, we are back for the final reveal. So our cute little extra bowl turned out so pretty with that marbling, with those colors. And I used some AB rhinestones on top, and it's such an adorable little trinket dish. So there's that, and I do sand everything, and I use my product to kind of hide the sanding, you know, the marks. Anyway, so there's that. And here's our bird jar. All I did on the bird jar is I took some of the same AB rhinestones and just went around the base. And yeah, that's it. Look how cute. It's just a little bird. It's a cute little bird. You can hide something in it. So that turned out really pretty. And then here's our book box. I love the book box. I took the orchid that we put together, and I thought it looked beautiful on the box, so I put it on the box as a handle. So it works out perfect. And then all I did is I did a little bit larger AB rhinestones around the edge of the book. And yeah, at one point I took a thinner gold paint pen. I was going to outline, you know, these scrolls and the lines and stuff, and it looked too yellowish gold. It just didn't go well with it, so I took it off, and I decided I didn't I didn't do anything on there. But I think it turned out so cute. I really love this book box. I think it's so neat. Nice little trinket box, right? And the lid snaps on nicely. Yeah. So yeah, I think they turned out really cute. What do you think? All right. Well, I hope that this gave you some inspiration. Thank you for your time. Thanks for spending time with me today. I really appreciate it. If you don't mind, give me a thumbs up if you feel I deserve it. And I would love to have you join my little YouTube family if you haven't already. All right, everyone, I will link the molds in the description box. For your convenience, there's also a bunch of discount codes down there to all different kinds of companies. So please take advantage of those. All right, everybody, I hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye.